Hey, I'm John with Joyland Roofing. If you have questions about roofing warranties, you're at the right place. I'm going to explain both manufacturer and contractor warranties for you. So here's how I'll do it. First, I'll talk a bit about the different types of warranties available and briefly explain the difference between a prorated and a non-prorated warranty. I'll also talk about enhanced warranties and whether or not they're worth the cost, and discuss the fine print that comes with many warranties. Then I'll wrap it up with some tips on what to watch out for when selecting a warranty. So let's dig right in. You'll usually see two basic types of warranties on a roof replacement: the product or materials warranty issued by the manufacturer, and the workmanship or contractor labor warranty, which can be issued by the manufacturer or the contractor, which I'll explain that here in a bit. On the product warranty, pretty much every kind of roofing material, whether it's shingles, metal, or something else, is going to come with a standard product warranty which covers manufacturing defects for a specified length of time. These product warranties cover only the cost of the replacement materials and reasonable labor to install those materials. Costs such as removing or disposing of defective materials, flashing, or any other necessary components are not included. So with the standard warranty, you're guaranteed to have to pay something to replace a product, even if it's a covered defect. Some manufacturers, such as IKEA or Tamco, will only pay you if the defective product is actually causing a roof leak and not otherwise. So just having a defective product doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be covered. Most shingles being produced today are sold as lifetime warranty shingles. Will they last an actual lifetime of 60 plus years? Probably not even close. Manufacturers run the numbers and know that the average home ownership is only 13 years before people move on, so that right there knocks out a majority of their concerns, since these warranties are not transferable to the next owner. The standard product warranty does not cover storm damage from hail, lightning, or heavy snow, but will cover wind damage up to 10 or 15 years depending on the brand, as well as algae stains for anywhere from 10 to 25 years. Keep in mind that the algae resistance warranty is very specific to a certain kind of algae known as blue-green algae, which actually causes black streaks to show up on shingles over time. So it is definitely still possible that you will have moss or other kinds of algae growth on the roof if you have heavy tree coverage or other factors influencing that. It's important to ensure that your homeowner's insurance policy does have you covered for some of these problems that aren't included in the warranty, especially hail damage. One more item of importance is the non-prorated period. What is proration? Basically, a prorated warranty lessens the amount that the manufacturer has to pay you as the roof ages. Take a look at this simple graph which illustrates this concept. Think of it like this. Say you buy a $1,000 dishwasher today and it comes with a 10-year prorated warranty. If that dishwasher stops working 1 year from now, the manufacturer might pay you $900 since it's not that old. But if it breaks down in year 9, you'll only get $100 since you've used it for most of those 10 years. It's exactly the same with your roofing product warranties. The manufacturer's liability lessens over time and yours increases. Now here's the deal. Roofing manufacturers will have a non-prorated period where they will cover the full cost for a certain length of time, and then the prorated period will start after that. It's typically going to be a 10-year non-prorated period, and then the rest of the warranty term will prorate or diminish in value over time. You can buy an enhanced or extended warranty, which will extend that non-prorated period up to 30 years. Remember that non-prorated is where they pay the full price regardless of how long you've had the roof. They'll also cover the other necessary costs, such as removing the defective products, disposal, and other things needed to complete a warranty repair. Now, probably the biggest advantage to an enhanced warranty like the GAF Golden Pledge is their coverage of workmanship. These enhanced warranties certify that the contractor you get has been vetted and approved by the manufacturer for things like insurance, quality, and customer satisfaction. So with that, I'll jump right into workmanship warranties, which fall into two categories: either a contractor workmanship warranty or a manufacturer workmanship warranty. A workmanship warranty issued by the manufacturer is basically covering the installation quality of the roof. In every case, the contractor is required to have completed training with the manufacturer to ensure that they know how to correctly install the products. It's the manufacturer actually putting their stamp of approval on the contractor's work, saying,
"We train Joyland Roofing. We've inspected their work. We know that they do things right, and you have our stamp of approval on their work for 25 years.
So let's say that 5 years down the road, you have a roof leak. After investigation, it's found that your contractor didn't install the shingles correctly. If you have a standard product warranty,
it's over. We are screwed.
If you have an enhanced warranty with workmanship coverage, you should be able to get coverage for this defective workmanship by the manufacturer. GAF offers up to 30 years of workmanship coverage on their Golden Pledge warranty. The Owens Corning Platinum offers 25 years and then prorates after that. These are the best workmanship warranties in the industry for shingle roofs. And then you have the contractor workmanship warranties. These vary tremendously, and there are contractors who offer them. What I can tell you is that it's important to select a contractor who has a robust workmanship warranty, because if they're not willing to cover their own work for a good period of time, there must be a reason for it. For instance, our Joyland workmanship warranty is transferable and covers not only the roof work but also interior damage repairs, and it lasts for 10 years. Typically, if there's a defective workmanship in a roof, it's going to show up within the first 5 to 8 years. There are contractors who offer longer workmanship warranties, but I have yet to see one that isn't riddled with exceptions, and that is transferable. Also, they usually won't cover any interior damages. So, is it worth the cost to get an extended or enhanced manufacturer's warranty? Here's the thing. I've rarely seen a product failure. It happens, but it's very unusual. It's almost always a workmanship problem. So having a manufacturer's stamp of approval on your contractor is a pretty big deal. But, okay, John, would you buy it for your roof? Well, probably not, but that's because I'm a roofer and I can fix my own roof very easily. But for most people, I do encourage them to consider an enhanced warranty. For the cost, this provides an enormous amount of extra benefit, like the workmanship coverage, the longer non-prorated periods, a vetted contractor, and full replacement costs included instead of just paying the materials. And even if you do sell the house, an enhanced warranty is generally transferable to the next owner, making the home a little bit more attractive to prospective buyers. So there you have it. Yep, all my roofing warranty knowledge dumped into this video for free. I hope this helps you navigate roof warranty decisions with better clarity and an understanding of how this stuff works. Thanks for watching.